What is up, you guys? Welcome back to another video. Hopefully you guys are enjoying your day. If it's your first time stopping by, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. While you're at it, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. It is New Year's and it's going to be absolutely wild out here. I'm just waiting for the cops to show up, honestly, at this point. Anyhow, a little bit of an update on the Roush. I still don't have it. It's been 3 months. I'm 100% aggravated by the whole situation. It should have been done a long time ago. And honestly, I just want my damn car back at this point so I can produce content for you guys. It's been a minute since I've produced anything. I'm working on doing a compilation for all my races that I put together in 2020 and kind of like a 2020 compilation. So I'm working on that. And besides that, we're out here at this New Year's meet and it should get pretty intense. So you guys have seen this white GTR on the channel before. He actually sold it. So he went from a red NSX, sold it to get this GTR, sold the GTR, got a black NSX. I don't know, guys. Which one would you choose? Got the Mustang gang pulling out. Silverado's whippled. Alright guys, that is going to conclude tonight's shenanigans. I'm over here at Denny's. I'm going to grab some grub right now and head home. Obviously we can't eat here with the whole pandemic going on. It's absolutely getting out of hand. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video. If you have, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. It's unfortunate that I couldn't have my car out there. I was hoping that I can have it back before Christmas, before New Year's, by the beginning of December. Actually, like 3 months ago. It was supposed to be done in 2 days. It's been 3 months, and you know, I'm gonna be so happy when I get my car back. I hope it's worth it for all the mods that are being done. It literally should have been like 2 to 3 days at the most to get them installed, and it's been a 3-month process, and I'm just getting irritated and fed up with the shop that's doing it. I'm not gonna mention any names just yet, but if it comes down to it, I definitely will. With that being said, again, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have, smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what your thoughts are on the situation with my car and what I should do going forward. Should I just take my car out? The engine's practically hanging from my frame because the K-member's out. Hopefully that doesn't give up any mods. But I'm just frustrated, and I'm about at the point where I'm going to tell them to just bolt the K-member back up and I'll do everything myself. I brought it to the shop so I can save time because I didn't have any time with work and everything else. So That's everything that I'm having done. I could have done it myself. I simply did not have the time to do it at the time. And honestly, if I would have taken the time to do it, it would have been done a long time ago. It would have probably taken me a week to do it because I only brought it to them because they told me 2 to 3 days. And like I said, it might have taken me a week to do it. So at the time, I wanted to provide you guys with content, and well, that backfired on me. Again, hopefully you enjoyed the video. If you have, smash that thumbs up button. Drop a comment in the comment section below. Let me know what you think I should do going forward with my car. And of course, guys, we'll catch you in the next one.